Today on Wild About Trial, we are talking about the baby Gabriel case. It is currently in trial, and to give us an update as to what has been presented to the jury and where this case is going is our own legal writer, Ryan Kerns. Ryan, tell us, where are we with this case? How is it looking?
This week, the prosecution rested their case. So they called 29 witnesses to the stand, and here's what they've shown so far. They've shown that Elizabeth Johnson, the mother of baby Gabriel, has changed her story significantly over the course of time. So she told originally the baby's father, Logan McQuarrie, that she killed Gabriel and that she strangled him and the baby's blue body and tossed him into a trash can.
Well, she didn't tell him. She text messaged
him. Yes.
Okay,
she sent a text message and an audio recording she sent that was played to the jury as well.
Okay.
And then she later told police that she gave Gabriel away to a couple she met in a park. And then she later told police in a different interview that she gave the baby away to that same couple but in her hotel room. So her story had changed several times over the course of this investigation.
Now, his body, the baby's body, has never been found. He's never been found.
No.
So she's not charged with murder, right?
No, she's only charged with kidnapping and custodial interference. So basically what they're charging her with is taking Gabriel across state lines in violation of the parental rights of the father, Logan McQuarrie, who had won custody after he brought those text messages that the mother had sent and brought him to the court. Obviously, the judge saw those texts and said, okay, we'll give the father full custody because this mother's not fit if she's sending texts about killing her baby.
But how do we know that she actually crossed state lines? How do we know? Is there any evidence that the prosecution presented where she actually had crossed state lines?
So they actually introduced phone records. They introduced MySpace account tracking from the IP address from the computers that were used to sign into MySpace. And they were able to track her, plus eyewitness accounts, they were able to track her to San Antonio, Texas, where she allegedly gave the baby away. And they were able to show that she checked into a hotel with baby Gabriel, and then the following day, she boarded a bus with no baby by herself, and that bus was headed to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So she boarded a bus, went to Florida without Gabriel, but had shown up to Texas with Gabriel.
Okay, so we actually have some physical evidence. We have the pings from cell phone towers showing her. This case originated in Arizona.
In Arizona.
And she's being tried in Arizona, correct?
Yes, correct.
So we have pings out of state in Texas, and we also have we have eyewitnesses saying, yes, I saw her in Texas with the baby. She boards a bus without the baby.
Exactly. And they have her in Florida with a new name by herself, hanging out in Miami, Florida.